we have the word branch. Now, one of these is not a meaning of branch. We have fork, bough, cattle farm, and subdivision. What have you decided? No, make a decision. Doesn't matter, no one can hear you. Let's be honest, it's only going to be about 2 people ever looking at this video anyway, so it doesn't matter. Shout it out. What have you decided? Come on. Good. Right. Now, I know those that didn't. I can tell. Branch, fork. Let's see, does that work? There was, we were all going off on a walk, and some forked off to the left and others branched off to the right. Yes, it's to sort of go in a different direction, to sort of whoop, veer off to the side. So that will do. Ooh, that wasn't what I wanted. Let's do that again. Hang on. Let's see if I can rub that out. Better. Now, bough. That's the kind of bough which is a branch on a tree. So you've got the main trunk and then the branches that come off. So yes, that also works. What about a cattle farm? Do you think a cattle farm? No, a cattle farm in America is called, I think North and South America continents, is a ranch, not a branch. And then a subdivision. So I went into the local branch of my bank. So my bank is Lloyd's. They've got branches, that's sort of like little shops, if you like, all over the country. So it's a subdivision. See you soon. Have a lovely day.